My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called Repair. I'm not sure why exactly it is called like that, but instead of repairing, it just makes a mess and serious damage. It actually ruins your files, it encrypts the files, and damages the files essentially. This ransomware is spread in the internet through malicious files, through malicious download links, and through some other channels. It actually appends a special repair extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to use the files. The ransomware also reveals a special ransom note titled as How to Back Files. The ransomware briefly tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner, for example. You may get Combo Cleaner through the official page combocleaner.com. Use the green Download Combo Cleaner button. The software is available for all popular operating systems, by the way. So download the application, install it, and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way you can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the data. So once again, you may upgrade to Premium, you may request trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And concerning file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about ways to possibly recover your data.